You have seen so far there are various ways we can run a code on Bodo platform. For example, we use my notebook, which is a Jupyter Lab, and we could have our code file saved there and then run it, mainly for development and testing purposes to make sure our code is working well. Or we could use a shell script or a terminal and then write a shell script command like Python or MPI exec to run our code and test a parallel execution there. And these are basically for development test purposes. The best practices is when you're testing or developing your code, start using a small data on a small cluster so you don't incur a lot of charges. Once everything looks good, you can actually start productionalizing with a large cluster with full scale data. In the following videos, you see how you can use Bodo for production, which we call it jobs. First, you will see how does the job UI and user interface look like? What is a job definition? What is a job run? And once you feel comfortable with these concepts, then we will show you how you can use Bodo SDK, which is basically some API keys you can connect to Bodo platform, submit a job completely programmatically from the ease of your laptop or Kubernetes cluster or any other places that you have your workflow management tool running like Airflow and Jenkins. So you don't need to even come to the Bodo platform, logging and all of that. You just use API keys and you just call some API functions to spin up a cluster or resume a cluster and submit a SQL job or submit a Python job and all of that, and you will see that in the future videos. Thank you.